Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay.
Yes, sir.
So, up to what we will revise? We have already revised, student. Any idea? Up to what we have revised?
Failure of J.J.
Sir,
Thompson's
we
atomic
cannot see the
model.
board. We are seeing the benches.
So, J.J. Thomson atomic model over, student. J.J. Thomson.
Yes, sir.
yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So today we
yes,
are
sir.
going to understand the Rutherford atomic model, student. We are going to learn the Rutherford atomic model, right? So I hope that the board may be visible to you. Yes, or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Student, little bit information we will try to collect about this model. You must be studying in your book also. So if you are talking about, let us firstly try to understand alpha rays. Okay, we are going to understand firstly alpha rays. Okay, so alpha rays are, that is positive rays. Okay, positive rays. Okay, can produce, what can produce, student? Can produce cancer. Okay, these things you keep in mind. Can produce cancer. Means what is going to be are the harmful rays. Okay, you can notice that alpha rays are harmful rays. Okay, this is the important point. Alpha rays are harmful rays. So, what the information Rutherford was doing today? When the Rutherford actually not discovering the atom. Rutherford was, I know, searching the protective device so that the people cannot get the alpha rays. Okay, cannot get affected by alpha ray. So what he did is today, that is he was taking the radioactive substance. Okay, suppose this is radioactive substance from where alpha rays will come. Okay, so first one is radioactive substance. This is what is today radioactive substance. Okay, radioactive substance. These radioactive substance is capable for what, student? These radioactive substance is capable to generate the alpha rays. Okay, if alpha rays are passing in all the direction, it will come to you on all of your body. It will create the cancer to you, and there will be problem. So what he did, student, he firstly kept in closed vessel and pass only few rays he started allowed. The rays we are going straight, they are allowed. And he put the Nicole prism on the way. Nicole prism. What the Nicole prism was doing, student? The Nicole prism was deflecting back the not required rays. We don't need all the direction. If all the direction rays are coming from on your body, it's a problem. So what he did, student, he processed with the Nicole prism. Taking what is, student? We are taking the Rutherford experiment. Okay, Rutherford alpha heading is what, student? Rutherford alpha rays scattering experiment. Scattering experiment. This we are studying today. So what he was observing, student. So in Rutherford was trying to take the thin metal gold coil. Okay, thin metal gold coil. Suppose this is the thin metal gold coil is going. He take it out. So you know this metal must have the atom also. One atom I am taking out this one. So what he find is, student, that most of the rays are passing straight. You can see here the rays are passing straight. Okay, these are the rays which are passing straight. Some rays are getting deflected back. Here is some rays are deflecting, and one ray is returning back. Okay, so this all the record he was doing on the ZNS screen. This is the ZNS screen. This is the ZNS screen. So how he got to know that they are the coming straight or getting deflected? If on the screen there is the create the they will glow student on this thing. So if all the glow are uniform, that is they are the straight line. All the glow are coming on the straight line, and very few places they form the deflection. Okay, this one. The diagram can be no, magnified. This diagram we can magnify it. Okay, by taking the only measure. If we are taking the same diagram, we are magnifying. So if you are magnifying this one, so how can you magnify? This is the radar passing state. Here you can see the diagram. We increases the size of diagram. So what we find that is they are the maximum radar passing state, and very few rays are getting reflected from their path. Okay, this one, and one out of the 2000 rays returning back. Okay, so that is this is passing the straight student, straight. This is deflected. These rays are what? Deflected. And one more ray is there. What is student? This one. This is the return. So three observation. He got the three observation. Are you be able to see student these things? Are you be able to see? Okay, so dear student, if you are writing, it will be helpful to you to understand this. Okay, so while doing this experiment, what is found is student that the people are not getting affected by alpha ray because the only few rays you are around to pass. The ray you are going that is passing to the this one, the cold phase. Other rays will be returned back. They are not going. And he is observing everything on the ZNS screen. How is happening? Everything he is observing here on the ZNS screen. Here larger diagram I have shown because it is what is student thin gold metal coil. This one is thin gold metal coil. Metal coil. After taking this all student, he did some observation. Okay, he did some observation. So what I am doing, I am erasing this and then I am writing the observation. I hope you may be writing this one. So that is experiment. How he did the experiment, student. First one you try to understand experiment. Rutherford. Okay, Rutherford passes alpha rays. Alpha rays that is 2He4. Alpha rays that is 2He4, or you can say also positive rays. Also you can say positive rays to the positive rays to the thin gold metal coil and observe the behavior of these rays on ZNS screen. On ZNS screen. Behavior of these rays on ZNS screen. Then he observed following things. Then he observed following things. Then he observed following things. Okay. So what are the observations, student? Observation. Let us write down the observation. So he observed the three observations, student. First observation, 99.9% rate. In fact, in positive rays pass straight to the atom. Straight to the atom. Point number 2. Few rays Q rays gets deflected. Q rays get deflected from their path. From their path. Q rays get deflected from their path. Third point, student. Very few rays. Very few rays. Very few rays return back on their path. Return back
on their part.
on their path. Yes, thank you very much. On their path. So these are the when we were passing alpha rays by taking the thin gold metal foil, student. Okay, passing watch student alpha rays. Alpha rays means positive rays. Positive rays means 2He4. Then he observed following things, student. The behavior of these rays recorded on ZNS screen. So what he found, student, 99% rays passing straight because they are glowing straight on their base. Okay, they are straight, glowing straight on the ZNS screen. New rays get reflected from their path. Very few rays return back from their path. So after these things, student, he given some conclusion. So let us see the conclusion. What are the conclusion? Can I erase, student?
Yes, sir.
So let us see, student. Okay, conclusion of alpha ray scattering experiment. Alpha ray scattering experiment. Scattering experiment. Okay, student. So what are the conclusion, student? The first point you see, student. First point, 99% ray state means the maximum atom of the maximum portion of the atom is vacant. Okay, that we want to write, student. So what we are going to write here, you see, since 99.9% positive rays, okay, positive rays went straight, means maximum portion of atom is vacant. Means
Empty.
Sir, video is
maximum
coming blurry.
Empty.
Okay, this is the first conclusion. That if the atom is there, students, if the atom is there, it means that is maximum portion of the atom is vacant. This area what representing that is vacant place. This is the vacant, right? Now, the second point he said, second point, positive rays. Positive rays, deflected means positive rays deflected means there is positive rays deflected means there is some positive charge, there is some positive charge present on the center of atom, on the center of atom, as like charge, as like charge gets deflected, like charge gets repelled, like charge get repelled. Since like charge getting repelled, student, it means positive rays are passing, means what type of particle may be in the center? that is positive charge particle is there in the center. That is why positive rays are getting returned. Otherwise, the positive rays cannot get reflected. Okay, that is what. Now, if you talk about the next point. So, what is the third point that is very very important? Very few positive rays. Very few positive rays. Very few positive rays return back on their path. Return back on their path. Return back on their path. That means return back on their path. That means what is the return back on their path? That means the volume of positive charge in the center is very small. In the center is very small. In the center is very small, known as nucleus. Known as nucleus.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, the video is coming blurry.
Yes, sir.
is it covered? Now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now it's clear.
Yeah, sorry, students. What is the conclusion, student? What the conclusion I am getting here? Since 99% positive rate state means maximum portion of the atom is having positive rays. The positive rays. Positive
Yes.
rays reflected means their age.
Positive charge
Means
present in the
their age. What is student? Some positive charge present on the center of the atom
charge getting
as like charge gets repelled. Very few rays return back on their path. That means the volume of positive charge is very small compared to nucleus. Not able to read, student.
Okay, sir.
Sir, please no.
Is it readable, student? Is it readable? Can you be able to read this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We can't do anything now because of the COVID. We are suffering now. Are you able to understand, student, this all the point, experiment, observation and conclusion?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So can we erase, student? Can we erase this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So next heading will be there, student. Rutherford atomic model. Till now we study what, student? That is experiment. Rutherford alpha ray experiment. Model I didn't start it. Now we are going to start Rutherford atomic model, student. So here I am erasing this. Here is student. The heading is Rutherford atomic model. Rutherford atomic model. This model was this model was based on this model was based on experiment based on experiment. Okay, so what was the experiment, students? First point. Okay, there okay there are various circular paths possible in atom possible in atom possible in atom where electron gets revolved. This is the first point. Now try to write down the second point, student. While moving moving in circular path electron do not lose energy. Third point. The volume of positive charge center is small compared to volume of atom compared to volume of atom which is known as nucleus. Fourth point.
सर आपने पॉजिटिव चार्ज के बारे बात क्या लिखा है?
Positive charge, the volume of positive charge center is small compared to volume of atom, which is known as nucleus. Electrons in outer or electron in the orbits are attracted by nuclear charge So some more form are there. All positive charge present in only center. All positive charge present only in center. This is the point. So 5 point we wrote, student. Let us try to write the 6th point. What is the 6th point, student? 6 number point. All negative charge electron or negative charged electron are present in extranuclear charge or present in outside of nucleus. Outside of nucleus. That is outside of nucleus. That is in various orbit. That is in various orbit. So these are the points, student, that you need to memorize. There is fifth point I wrote downside, student. Fifth point. Please make a note of this one. All positive charge present only in center. That is the fifth point. And what is the sixth point, student? All negative charge electron are present in outside of nucleus, that is in various orbits. Can you please write down this, student? Are you be able to see this one board, or is it blur?
It is okay.
Is it this is okay? That is very good. Written, student.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Chinmay completed. Chinmay, did you write? Ayush?
Yes, sir.
Muskan?
Yes, sir.
Muskan? They are not listening. Oh my God. They turn on the mobile and then they are sleeping. Suman, Sanskar, Subirai, Srishti,
Yes, sir.
Priyanshu.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, you people are now woke up, huh?
No, sir.
Okay. So student 10 minutes are there. 10 minutes I am thinking to ask some problem from you people. Okay. Because I am working hard. You people are working hard or not, that I need to know. This is your classroom, student. So you can feel that you are in the classroom only, right? So next things, what is happening, student? You just tell me by name. I am asking. Okay. Let us take out the name here. I am asking from Suman. See Suman, can you please explain the alpha rays scattering experiment? Suman, can you explain alpha rays scattering experiment? Suman, can you explain alpha rays scattering experiment? No. अच्छा, चलो सुमन को तो नहीं पता है, तो किसको पता हो सकता है? सृजिता, सृजिता बताएंगी क्या अल्फा रेज स्कैटरिंग एक्सपेरिमेंट? अगर किसी को अपना वीडियो ऑन करके बताना है तो ऐसे भी बता सकता है. If anyone wants to turn on their video, they can turn on and then they can tell. सृजिता बताएंगी क्या? स्मृति सिंह, can you please answer alpha ray scattering experiment? स्मृति सिंह.
Yes, sir.
हाँ, आप चाहो तो वीडियो ऑन करके भी बता सकते हो. इफ यू आर इन द स्टडिंग पोजीशन, आप वीडियो ऑन करके भी बता सकते हो. टेल मी.
Rutherford performed the alpha ray scattering experiment. He first allowed the alpha rays to pass through a metal thin foil, and then these rays uh,
Hmm.
got connected went to the ZN
Hmm.
screen.
Hmm.
Uh, he observed that 99% rays went straight while
Hmm.
few rays deflected back. Very few rays returned back. He found out
Hmm.
by when the
Hmm.
rays strike the ZN screen, they located this they located their path.
Hmm. Hmm. Then any conclusion he got? Any conclusion?
He got the conclusion that maximum portion of the atom is vacant.
Hmm.
The, also, he found that there is some positive charge present in the center, and he
Hmm.
named this as nucleus. He
Hmm.
also found that the positive charge in the center is very small as compared to the atom.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Keep up. Next one, who is there? Next student. Anyone wants to answer? Next, any student who want to answer? That
Sir, I
is the, yeah. Tell me, tell me. Firstly, you tell me experiment and then model.
Okay,
Ayush Kumar. You can turn on the video. If you want to turn on your video, you can turn on also camera, and then you can tell.
sir, I want to speak like this only.
So don't read from the notebook.
No,
Why
sir,
I'm
not,
saying? Okay, okay,
sir.
okay. I'm not saying you are reading. I'm saying if your face is open, so it will be no okay to everyone. Otherwise, other student will say, "Oh, he did not answer well." So tell Ayush.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Hmm,
Rutherford was performing an experiment by
hmm,
passing some alpha rays to the gold, by passing alpha rays to the gold foil,
hmm,
in which he found that 99.99% rays went straight, and
hmm,
some rays were bent sharply, and some rays um, totally were bent.
hmm,
Totally bent. Then he concluded that uh, there might be some positive charge. That's why
hmm,
that's why the alpha rays are also get deflected. So he
hmm,
named that. He discovered a new particle called protons,
hmm,
and the center he called that the nucleus.
hmm,
And he also concluded that electrons are revolving around the nucleus, and they both are uh, they are both
hmm.
attracted toward by an electrostatic force.
Hmm. Very good, very good. Aja, Ayush, tell me one more point. What comes in the mind of Rutherford? What comes in the mind of Rutherford
Sir,
to
why?
do the alpha ray scattering? Why he started this experiment? What comes in the mind so that he started doing the alpha ray scattering experiment? What can be the reason?
Sir, he did this experiment to find how to protect the people from from the cancer which is caused by alpha rays.
Radiation, radiation, which producing cancer. He was thinking that how to protect the scientists who are performing the alpha rays. That is the actually what is alpha rays? The strong rays, right? So with the alpha rays, you can see anything. Okay, that is you can pass the alpha rays in the that is the material. Okay, so whatever the things are there in the material, you can observe. So alpha rays are the very strong. If it is falling on the body, so what is happening, student? That is causing the cancer, malignant tumor or carcinogenic tumor. So some scientists were dying at that time. So he was searching the device so that the people can be saved. So what the device he got, student? What the device he got? That keep the radioactive substance in cold closed container and pass some rays, not all rays, pass some rays which are going straight, and you stand somewhere. If you are putting in the open environment, the radiation will come out from all the direction. So how can you be safe? You will be affected. So that he said that is keep inside, and then he performed the experiment. So what he performed the experiment, that if positive rays he was passing, so he thought that is if positive rays are there, and that during meanwhile that is Thomson also that said that is positive charge is present on the center, and positive charge is selected. So before that the law of attraction came, student, chemical bond concept came. So they got to know that is like charge attract and unlike charge repel. So when you are passing, the Rutherford started passing, what he find, student, that is the maximum rays, positive rays are passing. If positive rays are passing, so where is the positive charge on the surface? Impossible. So what the Thomson was saying, that is absolutely incorrect things he was telling. So that this model came, and what happened, student, that is Thomson model badly failed, and these were the point.
Yes.
This model also failed. Will be studying in the next class, student.
Sir, therefore,
Anyone wants to answer? Anyone who wants to answer?
I want.
Amit Raj, tell me, Amit.
Yes, sir. Telling.
Hmm.
Rutherford passes alpha rays means positive rays to the thin gold metal foil and absorb the behavior there these rays on ZNS screen. Then you observe following things. First point, 99.9% rays, positive rays pass straight to the atom. Second point, few rays get deflected from their path. Third, very few rays return back on their path.
So what was the conclusion?
sir, can I say?
Tell.
Uh,
Conclusion.
Since the most of the alpha particles pass the state to the gold file, it means that a lot of space are empty. And second
Yeah.
point, very few rays are deflected on their path. It means that there's some positive charge particle, alpha particles deflect from their original part.
Good.
And
Very good, Ayush, Priyansu.
very few rays deflected on their part, but it means that return back on their part. It means that some ray of positive charge center of the atom is known as the nucleus.
Good. Great.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other student who will answer?
And me also.
Yeah, tell. Tell, student. Who was there answering? Anybody want to answer, student? Anybody who are willing to answer? Bye, student. If you don't want to answer, I can't do anything. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Take care, students.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Take care. Okay, welcome. थोड़ा आप लोग पढ़ते रहिए
Sir.
घर में.